start with the dollar. We went way beyond my target. I think I could have been a little bit more aggressive with it. If I'd been more aggressive, would it have been there? Oh, it doesn't even hit there. So that was the ultra aggressive target. And I guess we could bounce and still hit it. 115. 115 and then 125. Dollar is still quite bullish. As long as we're above this heuristic trend channel, which also the pink line is 50-day estimated, the 50-day EMA, exponential moving average. So I know most of you probably can't get the trend heuristic. It's like some paid thing. But if you want to kind of match it, just put a 50 EMA on your chart and it'll be very, very similar. So you can just put that on and then it'll show you the support levels. We're still sitting above that. As long as we're sitting above that, I think there's a chance that it will continue higher, which is bearish for the rest of the market. But good if you have money in US dollars. So congratulations to everyone who has money in US dollars, or even more congratulations to anyone who does not live in the US and had the foresight to convert all their money to US dollars. I have two friends that did that. I was very impressed. They had all euros over a year ago and they changed it all to dollars. It's like, how did you know to do that? They're not even traders. They're just like, well, it just seemed like the smart thing to do because the world's going into chaos and people move to dollars. Oh, okay. Well, this explains why you're rich, I guess. If I go to Bitcoin, I know a lot of people were getting excited recently about this trend line right here. This chart is kind of messy. You can see all the bear flags, right? I feel like I talk about this every week, right? Bear flag 1, bear flag 2, bear flag 3. 3 bear flags in a row. Oh, actually, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Look at that. And now we're on a weekly, we've got a 7 and 8 coming in. But you can see last time we had a 7 and 8 come and price dropped anyway. So I don't know how much credit I would give to this. I mean, we also had it here and it dropped further. So it can still happen here. There's nothing that's saving you from not dropping by having a 7 and 8 count. You can still drop. 3-day, daily. Running into this 50-day moving average level. I know the big thing though was this downtrend line people keep posting and talking about. That Bitcoin breaks this. I think Colin was on the site and posting about it too. I saw. Oh, let me turn off this magnet feature. This. All right, let's just check that that's correct. Okay, correct. Okay. So people are getting all excited to see Bitcoin on the other side of this downtrend line, which I admit is probably a big deal. But I wonder if we're tagging it to get people super excited that we will push over it. And then instead we just reject the new lows. Do it one more day and then reject. Maybe we get another bounce here and then a reject. And we just head down. But it wouldn't surprise me in the least to see that happen. Okay, so that's a daily chart. What does RSI look like here on the daily? Still looks okay. I don't think I can use it for much whenever the daily is basically right at the VIP line. There's nothing big going on. They're usually too busy to check and buy and sell. So something to keep in mind, I guess. Bitcoin, I don't have a super clear direction. Obviously, I'm leaning towards the downside, but I'll be the first to tell you this is not the clearest market at this point. I think there's a good risk reward for a short from this area. For example, something like this. Highs, set a stop above the 200-point moving average, and then set us a target to be down here. And then that's your 10% return. Only a 2.3 risk to reward. You can always lower it. You know, then it's a 4-to-1, 5-to-1. As long as you stick to it, then you can replicate these results. The hardest thing is sticking to it, enforcing good habits, that kind of stuff.